Hello everyone, welcome back to AGC Academy. So today we are in exercise 1.3 rational numbers. So the first bit is express each of the following decimals in the P by Q form. Okay, the first question, what is the first question is saying that so we need to express the decimal numbers in the P by Q form, that is nothing but rational form. It is very simple and very easy. Just I will explain one thing, then you will go for the remaining problems very easily. See this. So first question is 0.57. See students. So after point, this decimal point, we should read the numbers as individual digits. Individual digits in the sense 5, 7, 8, 9, like that. So here 0.57 is a number, decimal number. Okay, now I am converting it in the P by Q form. Very simple. See, first write down the whatever the digits here, 0, 5, 7 without decimal point. Then after, for the point, write down 1, and after decimal point, how many digits will be there? 1, 2. So 2 zeros write down here. This is your answer, that is 57 by 100. That's all. Okay, right. So moving to the next question. What is the next question? That is 0.176. So I am writing as it is 0.176. My next step, 0.1 and decimal point after how many digits? 1, 2, 3. Place here 3 zeros. It's over. Your answer is 176 by 1000. That's all. Right. So now see the third question. 1.00001. So it is also so simple. Write down the numbers, digits as it is without decimal point. Right. Now here for the point I am writing 1. Point after how many digits will be there? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So place here 5 zeros. Yes, it's solved. Okay. So the final answer is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. 1 lakh 1 by 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. 1 lakh. That's all. Okay. So the next question. 25.125. So same as it is without decimal point, I am writing 25125 by, for the decimal point I am writing 1. After the decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Place here 3 zeros. Your final answer is, this is your final answer. That's all. So in this way, the whatever the question will come, you can give the answer very easily. Just remember one trick. So for the point, you should write 1. After the point, how many digits will be there? Then count it and write the as many zeros of as many digits. How many digits are there? If there are 5, write the 5 zeros. 1, 1 0, enough. So this is about the first question. Second question also same. Here given some decimal numbers which are repeating. Here bar is kept on the number digit. So the bar is kept means you have to assume that this 9 is repeating and so on, non-terminating decimal. So express each of the following decimals in the P by Q form. So here 0.9 bar, that means x, let us consider x equals to 0.999 and so on. Okay, so it is the equation 1. Next, here what is a periodicity? Periodicity means what? Periodicity means how many digits are repeating. That is nothing but periodicity. So here periodicity is 1. Why? Because one digit is repeating. So if the periodicity is 1, multiply with 10. If the periodicity is 2, multiply with 100. If the periodicity is 3, multiply with 1000. So here periodicity is 1. So multiply with 10 both sides. Now see. So equation 1 multiplying with 10 on both sides. So 10x is equals to 0.999 into 10. So that is nothing but 10x is equals to, so if I am multiplying 0.9 into 10 means one decimal number will move forward, 9.999. So this is your second equation. Now we need to subtract equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So what is equation 2 here? 10x is equals to 9.999. And what is equation 1 here? X equals to 0.999. So you can write here any number of 9s, but as for our understanding I took only 3. No issue. Okay. Now subtract it. Do the subtraction. And it is 9. And it is 10 minus 10x minus x. Out of 10x's, I am removing 1x. It becomes 9x. So here 9x equals to 9. X equals to 9 by 9. Then x equals to 1. So it is equals to 1 is our solution, which is in the form of a by b. 9 by 9 is nothing but it is in the form of p by q or a by b form. Okay. So that's all about your first solution. Next see the second question. 0.57 bar. So here 5 and 7 under the bar. So it means that let x equals to 0.5757 are repeating here. 2 digits were repeating. That's the reason he kept the bar for 2 digits, 5 and 7. So now I already told you what is the periodicity. Periodicity means number of digits repeating. So in this problem, how many digits are repeating? Here 2 digits were repeating, right? So here periodicity is 2. So this considers equation 1. So multiply equation 1 with 100 both sides. Multiply equation 1 with 100 on both sides. Then we will get that 100x is equals to, so if I multiply 100 to this number, then the 2 digits will come forward. 57 in point 5757 and so on. This is the equation number 2. So now we need to subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2 is above, that is 100x equals to 57.5757. Then equation 1 representing x equals to 0.5757. Now subtract this. Then 100x minus x is nothing but 99x. So 99x equals to 57. So x is equals to 57 by 99. So it is nothing but 57 by 99. Okay, so that's all. This is very simple. So just remember that whatever the periodicity, you have to multiply the equation, you have to multiply the equation 1 with the periodicity. So if the periodicity is 2 means multiply with 100, periodicity 1 means multiply with 10. Okay, so that's all about these two solutions. Last step is not visible actually, so I written here again 9x equals to 9, then x equals to 9 by 9 here. So 99x equals to 57, then x equals to 57 by 99. These are the answers. Third question, it is also same as it is, but a small change here. So here it is a bar is only for 29, not for the 7. Okay, right. Let x equals to 0.729, only repeating, so 2 and 9 I am writing. Okay, so this is equation 1. So only 29 is repeating. Okay, then here, so what is periodicity here? Periodicity is 2. So multiply equation 1 with 100 on both sides. Okay, so now 0. X into 100, it is nothing but 100x is equals to, so if I am multiplying with 100, then 2 digits will come forward, 72 point, so remaining what is there, 9292 and so on. It is equation number 2. So now subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So here what is the equation 1 here? 100x is equation 2, sorry, 100x equals to 72.9292. And what is the equation 1? Equation 1, x equals to 0.7292. Now do the subtraction, 0 0 0, right. Now 9 minus 7, it's 2, not 0, it's 2. Next 72 minus 0, 72 itself, right. Now 100x minus x, it is nothing but 99x. So here what we get, x equals to 72.2 by 99. So I want to remove this decimal point, right? So then what should I write here? So can I write this as 722 by 990? This is your answer. So what is the final answer here? What is the P by Q form here? 722 by 990. Okay. So that's all about this first question, or third question. Right. Now see this 12th question. It's also same, but here only the bar for the 8. So let x equals to 12.2888 and so on. Let us consider it as equation 1. Then here periodicity is what? Periodicity is 1. So multiply with 10. Okay, so multiply the equation 1 with 10. Okay, that implies 10x is equals to, so when I am multiplying with 10, one digit will move forward, 122.888. Equation number, consider as equation number 2. Now subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2 is 10x equals to 122.888 minus equation 1, x equals to 12.288. 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 2 6. So 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 1. is equals to 10x minus x, it is nothing but 9x. So finally what I get here, 9x. So I am writing directly x equals to 110.6 by 9. So I am removing the point here. 1106 by 90 is my answer. What is my answer? 1106 by 90. That's all. So these are the two problems I clearly explained. Once again, you just go through this, then it is very easy to find any problem. You can express any problem in the PYQ form.